Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You can get a job in the Middle East simply by trying or by magic, through others or by fluke. Remember that competition is everywhere. Some here, some there, but bam! Loy Machedo is the best.
Alright guys, this is another unboxing experience which I wanted to share with you. So this is my new note-taking device, which is called the Remarkable 2. I just managed to get it yesterday, but yeah, yesterday things were in a mess, so I decided, okay, fine, I'm going to unbox it today. So watch the unboxing and let's see what is inside the box. And yes, I will also give you my feedback as to how do I feel about the writing experience of the Remarkable. For those of you who do not know, Remarkable is a device which is an e-ink writer, e-ink reader, whatever. And this is considered one of the best where the writing feel is concerned. So let's see what we get in the box. I'll put the link below for the Remarkable so that if you want to check what it is, it's Remarkable 2. How do you open this? Okay. Okay, so this is what it contains. Okay, let's keep it out here. Okay, so this is what it contains, and this is it's a marker that I ordered along with it. So this is the pencil-like nib. Feels nice. It has a kind of matte kind of finish, so it's not slippery. Okay, it's like a pencil, like wooden. Okay, these are nibs also which are there. Okay, soft nibs. Okay, there's something here. Okay, the nibs are here. Very small nibs actually. Now this one, how do I open this? Okay, it says tear here. Okay, says here what? Take notes, read, review, documents, unparalleled, paper field designed to help you focus. Okay, marker attaches magnetically at the side. Paper-like read writing, convert handwritten text, convert them to PDF, no distractions. Okay, so let me open this. Okay, let's move this aside. Okay, so this is gone. Looks nice. The finish is there. Okay. Ooh. This looks nice. Welcome. There's something here. So congratulations on your new Remarkable. Okay, there's a booklet. And okay. So all this we get. Okay, quick start guide. The quick start guide says Remarkable 2. Okay, so looks nice. I like the presentation. Kind of reminds me of the Apple standard. Only thing, this was a little tough to take out. Come on, go inside. Okay. Now comes the main device. This is, what is this? This is the charger. It's a good quality cable. Okay. So this cable comes here. I don't know if you can see it. Sorry. This is where the cable comes. Okay. This is where the cable was. Okay. Now the device, the actual device. So let me take this out. This I'll keep it here. Close this. Okay. I thought it was larger. It's not actually that large. It's kind of heavy, slightly heavy. Has a little weight. How do you open this? Okay, it says remarkable. It's a very glassy feel. Okay. Okay. And okay, we have designed remarkable to not get in your brain's way, to help you think. Remarkable. Hold the power to get started. Okay. It's a very matte finish. Okay. Wait 1 second. Hold the power. Let me take out the pencil. Okay. So let's see. How is it? Hold the power. Where's the power? Oh wow. Okay. Remarkable is starting. Okay. You can hear the noise? Wait. Just let's see. I don't know what is going to come first. Remarkable is loading. Write, sketch, or scribble down below. Okay. Oh wow. It writes like a pencil, man. Okay, does it erase? Okay, Loy. I like the feel. It is more like writing on paper. You can hear the noise. See. Okay, continue. Your screen is unique. The canvas display creates a true paper-like experience. Yes, I do feel like a paper-like experience. Every now and then your display will refresh itself. Give it a try to see for yourself. Okay. Well, refresh. Wait, did you see that? This is what the screen refresh looks like. It's completely normal and keeps the display looking clean and sharp. Now let's get to your setup. Start the setup. Saying connecting, success. It's now connected to the internet. Okay. Update your device. Okay, update and restart. Okay, next. Update your device. Pair with the remarkable cloud. Are you left or right-handed? Okay, right-handed. Next. You're good to go. Get started. So these are the different writing tools and styles. Okay. It has a kind of pencil-like feel to it. Okay. Okay, overall, I like the experience. I think it's a good device. I still need to work on it, and I think I'll give a feedback after a couple of days. How do I feel of using this? And obviously, I need to know a lot of the features because I do not know what are all these buttons. But as of now, I'm really liking the feel of this and kind of enjoying it. So overall, this has been a worthwhile experience, and I'm glad I bought this. But now comes to, am I going to use it? That I'll let you know in a few days. So any questions, let me know. This is the unboxing of the Remarkable 2. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts and comments. It's me signing off. You guys take care.